Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change startup logo for your speaker Ditoo Pro. You have to start by opening the application and now go right here at this icon at the left bottom. Then go to device settings and right here we have startup logo. I already changed it, but you can have just dark square here. So just click on it and now it open gallery for us. So just choose the best one for you. Let's say I want some character here and just scroll down and choose the best one for me, for you. So I guess this is okay for me and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.